This is how we repair a car shock absorber that is already damaged or completely dead, so it can be used again and perform almost like new. First, the shock absorber is disassembled and the old oil is fully drained, because worn oil can no longer provide proper damping. After that, we refill it with fresh new oil according to the required specification to restore smooth and stable performance. Next, we install an air valve equipped with a small capillary pipe. This capillary pipe helps control and stabilize the air pressure inside the shock absorber. Once installed, the valve is carefully welded or soldered to prevent any air leaks. Finally, air is injected with the correct pressure. As a result, the shock absorber becomes smooth, stable, and ready to be used again.